Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you Monday.com how to create reports. We'll build a clean, useful report in Monday.com by creating a dashboard and adding a widget that pulls in data from your boards. Think of a dashboard as your reporting hub, and widgets as the individual charts or summaries that tell your story. Start on your Monday.com homepage after you sign in. From here, look toward your workspace area for the plus icon. Depending on your layout and permissions, you'll usually find it near the top or side where you create new items. Click that plus icon to open the creation menu. From the menu, choose Dashboard. A dashboard is the container for your report, and it can pull information from one or multiple boards. You'll be prompted to name it. Enter a clear, descriptive name for your report, like Weekly Pipeline Overview or Operations Snapshot. Good naming makes it easy to find later and helps teammates quickly understand the purpose. Once you've named it, click Create Dashboard. Monday.com will generate a blank dashboard canvas where you can start building your report. This space is flexible, so you can add one widget or many and rearrange them as you go. Now click Add Widget. This opens the widget gallery. Widgets are the building blocks of your report. Things like charts, numbers, tables, and timelines. To get started quickly, select a sample widget that matches the kind of insight you want, such as a chart for trends or a numbers widget for totals. You can change or refine it later. After selecting a widget, you'll see an option to connect boards to get started. Widgets need data sources, so this step tells Monday.com where to pull information from. Click Connect Boards and choose the board that contains the items you want to report on. For this example, select your sample project board. It's okay if your data lives on just one board. You can add more sources in the future if needed. With your board selected, click Done. The widget will populate with data from your board and display it right on the dashboard. If you don't see what you expect right away, that's often just a matter of refining the widget settings, such as which columns to use or what time frame to display. The important part is that your dashboard and data connection are now in place. That's it. You've created a dashboard, added a widget, and connected it to your board, giving you a working report you can build on and share. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps to add more widgets and round out your report.